Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram messages request problem. So if someone is sending you a message and you are not getting that message on Instagram, then this video is absolutely for you. So in order to fix that, you guys have to just simply don't worry about it and simply follow me. Without wasting time, let's get started. So you have to just simply open up your Instagram application first. Then you have to just simply head over to your profile. So after opening up your profile by just tapping on below right corner of your profile, then you have to just simply click on the top right corner of three horizontal lines to open up settings. So after tapping on these three horizontal lines, settings and privacy will appear. Here you have to just simply search for messages. So I'm just searching for messages and you guys will be able to see the message which is messages and story replies. So you have to just simply select this option. So after selecting this option, you have to just simply select the first option which is messages and controls. So after opening up that, you have to just simply go to the potential connection section. Here you have to just simply open up the first option which is your follower on Instagram. So you have to just simply click on it, and here is the problem, man. So you have to just simply make sure that your check mark should be on messages request. So here you guys can see it has already turned it off. So whenever the tick will be on don't receive request, then you guys will not be able to receive any of the message from Instagram. So you guys can see there is a now it is on message request. Now your issue will be resolved. If the issue is still not resolved, you have to just simply go back and simply open up Play Store and simply search for Instagram. Then you have to just simply search for Instagram and simply make sure that you have to update Instagram application. If the Instagram application is already updated, then you have good to go. If it is not updated, please make sure that you should update your application and your issue will be resolved. If the issue is still not resolved, you have to just simply open up your phone settings and simply clear the cache data and clear the data of your Instagram. So it might cause by some of the problems, but I hope so your issue will be resolved soon. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.